You're talking on the phone, darling. Say hello.
Hello, Alfie. Hello, Alfie. It's a bell, not a phone, but we can pretend it's a phone. Shall we pretend it's a phone? Hello, Alfie.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Really?
Yeah.
Having a good phone conversation.
Who are you calling? Are you speaking to Uncle Lloyd?
Hello.
Hello. Are you speaking to Uncle Lloyd? Like you did last night? Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, well done, darling. Well done. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
Well done. Yeah, take it back. Right.
who's on the phone, Alfie? Who's on the phone?
Ty, you giving it to Daddy? Thank you. Thank you. Would you now like it back? Yeah, I thought so. There you go. There's the doorbell. Never believe it, would you?
So much fun with a doorbell.
You gonna put the doorbell on the tray? Or are you gonna speak to someone on the phone? Put that on there. That's it. Put the doorbell on the tray. That's where the doorbell goes, isn't it? Where it should be. Not on the door.
You can speak to someone on the doorbell.
No, that's dirty. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Beep, beep, beep. Ta, darling.
Say bye-bye.
Thank you, darling. Thank
Say
you.
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Should we put that over there and see if you can go and get it? Move backwards. Move backwards. Move backwards.
No.
Oh yeah, he's going.
Go and get the doorbell stroke telephone.
Well done.
Go on.
Yeah, it's over there. Go and get it. Well done. It's a bit tight. Well done, darling. Oh yeah, moving backwards, reversing. Well done.
Good boy. Let's see it. Thank you. Oh.
All gone. Say bye bye now. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Well done, darling.